Yeah. Look, talk of the town, crawl from the ground. For my niggas locked down, took a loss in their trial. But they never told, so they walking it down. Boss in the crown, had to take a loss, but I smile. Made money flips for out of the country trips. A life that I want, but not in a rush to get. Sometimes life is a bitch, give a hug and kiss. When she gone, life is a bitch, you don't wanna miss. For sure, heart of a queen, blood of a slave. I was starving to eat, hunger to chase. Never fall for the greed or trust in the snake. Gotta watch for the thieves, gun on my way. So my real niggas hold up your cup. You could roll up a blunt, either sober or drunk. We got a full house, you niggas holding the flush. We came a long way, let's toast to the trust, nigga. Yo, from a queen city, I was born in the low. Government assistance, you poor, you broke. See, most of these niggas can't afford what they owe, but still spend their tax money on Jordans and clothes. Yo, they invested in fashion. I'm getting rich, wearing sweats, living lavish. Niggas rapping, but they best shit is average. It ain't even drop, but the S is a classic. Yo, I'm on a mission to blow. Mic in one hand with a list of my goals. Like a ballerina, I had to get on my toes. Now it's triple the profit what I get for a show, nigga. Yo, I put racks in the safe. Aim at a snitch, put a rat in the grave. Disrespect the team, you get slapped in the face. I don't fuck with these new niggas rapping today.